Hello friends, welcome back with another video, and in this video tutorial I am going to show you how you can create a creative portfolio website for your brand and company like this. So this is the Palace theme demo. Let me show you. Once you swipe you and scroll it down, it will open as a magazine. It have a beautiful design and minimalist theme. It's a creative and also optimized theme for speed optimization. I am going to show you a step-by-step process that how you can create this type of website with simple steps. So first of all, let me show you how you can get this website free for demo purpose from me. I also installed this theme for my client. You can see it's a website office.com, and you can see it's under construction but it's live. So I'm going to show you how you can download it. First of all, as you can see here, the price of this theme is $99 and after tax above $100. So I'm going to give you a demo purpose. If you like this, you can install by adding this to chart and purchase from this website called themeforest.com. So here is my dashboard of demo. So as you can see, I don't have any website here, and I'm going to install the theme here. So first of all, I'm going to appearance in themes. Once you downloaded this theme, you will see a folder like this with all the plugins and theme functions, and here is the man theme and child theme. So first of all, we are going to install the theme, but let me delete the other rubbish themes. Sorry, not rubbish. So as you can see, click on add new button, upload button, and drag and drop the Palace theme here. Install now. As you can see, the theme is installed here. Just click on activate. Okay, go back and add a new theme called child theme and drag and drop the child theme here also. Don't need to do anything. First the child theme install and then install the plugins and activate and whatever you want. Wait for it. It's a little theme. It will not take a long time, but trust me, it's beautiful for your brand and identity. This is installed, so click on activate button. Now what is the next step? Begin installing plugins. As usual, as for all, click on install. You can see this website is created from WP Bakery Visual Composer. As usual, I don't like this builder, but this is best for designs and other CMS. That's why I'm going to teach you. Otherwise, I'd like an Elementor. I don't like this. So framework is going to be installed, and that's it. Go back to the plugins and here click on activate, apply, and everything is activated. As you can see here, nothing will appear here very much beautifully. We need to do some more customizations. As you can see, we don't have anything here. So first of all, go to the settings and tools. So we have available tools here. Click on available tools. What is this? Go back to tools, available tools. Like categories and tag converter, site health, import. I don't know where it is. Yeah, here is it. And in the import section, you will see a WordPress import page and custom fields, everything. Click on install. Run importer. So here we are going to choose the file for the settings and everything. So where is the file? Go back to the folder. In this folder you will see a data export here, and you will see a demo content XML file. Okay, don't do anything, just drag it here and click on update, upload file and import. If you like my videos, subscribe to my channel. It's optional. Okay, so here if you want to create a new login, no problem. If you don't want to create a new login, just select the login you have already and click on download and import file attachment also. Wait for a second here. So have fun, all is done. So okay, back to the website, click on refresh and wait for it. As you can see, nothing is appear here as we see in the demo. So go back to it and go to appearance, customization, and here we need to choose the home page, the best part for website intro. So for website overview, we need to change the home page. So here it's the latest post, a static page. Here we have a lot of home page demos. You can see in the demo page link, and what I'm going to choose is home background image. I like it mostly. So click on publish, go back, click on refresh. So here is it, everything is here. I can see the outlook, the design is here, the logo is here, the footer is here, but not the header menu. So for adding menu here, go back to customization, menus, primary menu. As you can see, we have a lot of things in the primary menu, and this is the demo purpose only. We need to create a new menu here. For creating a new menu, click on it and create a menu. Just write the menu name and mark as primary menu. Click on next and you will see the menu opened here. Add the items. First of all, what we need to do is add the front page here and write it as a name of home. So it's done, home page is here. Next is what is next? Contact us page. Contact, okay, contact us. Second page, okay, third one is about us. So about us. Fourth one is blog, domain name important. And if you want to add any other page like gallery, portfolio, you can add from here like portfolio grid. So I'm going to add the portfolio grid as a page like portfolio. So this one is also arrange it as home, about us, portfolio, contact us, and blog. So blog is here. Click on publish, go back to website, click on refresh. So as you can see here, we have 1 2 3 4 5 pages here, and that's it. Okay, so go back to it and customize section. Now what is the next step here? Check the additional. We don't have any additional CSS here. Close it. Okay, if you want to change the logo, how you can? If you want to change the footer, this text. If you want to change the links of social media, if you want to add these other links here, how you can? Okay, go back to it and we are going to open the menu of this theme. We have a lot of tools here. Preloader, I don't like preloaders. I'm going to turn it off. Save changes. Google API key, if you want to add your own API key, you can add, but in built-in API key we have also one. Logo and favicon. So you want to change the logo, favicon. What is favicon? Favicon is this one, the text of your title of your website, and instead of this we have a little picture called 32 by 32 pixels. That is the favicon. Okay, if you want to add, if you want to don't add, remove this. If you want to add a logo here, the logo width, as you can see, height is 25 pixel and 134 is the width. So you can change it. Also you can change every size of your logo here. You can change the scroll logo. If you want to add the scrolling logo different from the main logo, you can add two logos here. Okay, what is next? The mobile logo. So mobile logo is also same, and the size of it you can customize it. Apple icon and Apple iPad and different sizes. Okay, click on save it. Okay, what is next? Typography. Typography is the main thing of website. The content, written headings and everything, titles. Like you want to change headings and other things, you can change from here. What is next? The blog setting. So here is the main templates of blog. If you want to change it, you can change it on your way. Blog title is blog and news. If you want to change, you can change. Okay, blog subtitle, you can not hold up a blog. Okay, blog button, if you want to change the blog button to download, unlock, upload, whatever else, you can change from here. By default it's read more. Single blog layout, and it's the layout of your blog, and the show comment section and the blog background. Okay, these are the default things. Portfolio settings have all the text of portfolio. You can customize the text. Also footer settings here. What is footer settings? So social media style is text buttons. Okay, and we can change this to icons also from here, but text button looking beautiful in the footer. As you can see here, this is the text buttons. Go back to 8 VR fellas. So I'm creating a website for demo, so that's why I'm going to add my name here. So alright, is out 2021 or 2022. So developed by Ocean Themes and whatever, remove it. Here is the Facebook, Google, Twitter, GitHub, YouTube and all the other links you can add here for your footer and header also. So as you can see, we have the links also on header. Go back to 8, and what is styling? Styling have colors, the theme have default colors, don't need to change it. If you want to change the header colors or footer colors, you can change from here. Okay, go back to the dashboard now. As you can see here, we have the pages here and sections here. What is in the blog page, I will show you after. First we need to customize the home page if you want. So for this, go to pages, all pages, and here in the home page we will edit with WP Bakery Builder. The builder I don't like. It's a beautiful builder. I don't like because everyone have another choices. I have Elementor and others. If you want to change this text, just click on this OT home page. So as you can see, the background you can change from here, the background image, and here are just strategy build create specialized brand experience. You can change the text from here, and here as you can see we have OT socials. You can add the links whatever you want. As you can see, we have 4 in default, but not the links included in this. So go back to this section. As you can see, nothing is inside here. So this was the home. We have other sections also, like about us section and portfolio section and journal section, a lot of it. So for these we have all the pages here. We have the second menu also, test pages. Go back. What is in the blog page? As you can see, the text we have added here, blog and news. You cannot hold any blog. We don't have any blog. It's a demo blog. Hello world. Every website have. These are the demo also. You can add your posts here and this will convert it into blogs here. Okay, go to about us section. So based in idea, we can change it to by clicking on edit with the WP Battery Builder, and here you can see the other original ideas and works and the content. Here is the team images and the details of the team. Here is the services pan on this. So go to portfolio. Portfolio is a demo of the website and images and graphics you created recently. Here is some demos and you can see the menus of also. If you want to add the portfolio, go to portfolio section and here you can see categories and also these are the categories we have seen here. And go back to all portfolio. You can see here a lot of portfolios are added. We are showing here. Okay, go back to contact us page. So get in touch is the main text of anyone's website page. You can change it. Here is the email section, phone number section and address. Everything is managed here. If you want to see or watch, or if you want to know anything else about this website or theme, you can ask me in comment. I will guide you. As usual, I am guiding everyone. If you want any other tutorial, any other type of website development, you can ask me. I will teach you. Once more, go to home page and check the design, how much beautiful it looks like. Okay, so hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel, like this video and share with your friends. You can't, I know, but try to understand. We are here for your help. Take care. Bye bye.